While Abdul Kalam was working on a construction project with DRDO, he asked the team what would they do to ensure security around a certain building. The team lead suggested broken glass on the walls. Kalam was quick to turn down the suggestion and said, "The birds cannot perch on the wall. Think of something else." Now, how many of us think of something else that could help somebody else to live at least an ordinary life? Spread the care if you have, even if it is tiny, not a problem, but don't create troubles in the various forms of broken glasses. Remove the idea of broken glass and help people to perch on their walls of life.